Here's a little cute little squirrel eating my nuts I left for them. I also gave them the failed bread machine bread. And the birds are going nuts over that. My little squirrel buddy here. They're so cute, aren't they? I put the bread all over there. So the birds are going on that. They're loving it. Eating my failure. Some here too, eating my failures. There's a cute one right there. But I like the squirrels the best. They're so cute and cuddly looking. Look how cute he is. Oh, I gave them dozens and dozens of peanuts. Look at them all there. This is the maximum 10 times zoom. I'm sitting on a bench. There was 3 squirrels. Some of them were burying my nuts. Some were eating my nuts. Oh, he looks hungry. Look at that. That's his 3rd one already. You're gonna get fat. He must feel like he's in heaven. Look at all those peanuts. He never saw anything like that in his life, I bet. And there's another squirrel coming here. Look. Oh, he's taking one. He whipped his tail at me. He whipped his tail in a circle. Look, where is he? Right here. Look how cute he is. I think he did a swirl with his tail. I think maybe he was saying hi. Those are, I don't know what kind of birds those are. They're eating my failure. Eat that failure. Go ahead, eat it. Eat it. That's it. Eat it all up. Eat my failures. What are you up to, buddy? You still enjoying the buffet? So cute. Oh, there's another guy over here. Look. Going underneath the fence. What do you got? What are you looking for? You want some nuts too? Yeah, they're over by the tree. Lord. You got one. No? Did you get one? No. By the tree. Yeah, he got one. You gonna eat it or bury it? He's gonna eat it. Sometimes they eat, sometimes they bury. It's a good idea, right? When you see a lot of food, you eat some and save some. Smart. Atta boy. Look at that beautiful peanut. You're gonna go bury that one, right? I don't blame you. It was a beautiful one. We got some birds here eating my failure. Oh, look at the cute little sparrows. There's one sitting on top of the fence looking at me. Go on, eat some failure. Go on. Oh, here comes Mr. Squirrel. He needs another one. You gonna eat it or bury it? I think yeah. Yeah. First he checks it all out. He checks it out. Then he decides he's gonna eat it or bury it. He went to go bury it. All right. Signing off. See you guys tonight. Take care. Love you.